Assalamualaikum dear students of class 3. Welcome to your next English class. Students, as in the previous video we have started the unit 1 lesson number 3 and we have also solved first two exercises of this lesson. Today we are going to move to the next exercise. So let's start. Students, look at this exercise number 3 on book page number 4. Write the words in the correct order in your exercise book. Start each sentence with a capital letter. Now what you have to do, students, you have to write the sentences from the given words, but you have to take you have to be very careful while sorting these words out that it makes a complete proper sense. Okay, क्या करना है आपने, इन तमाम जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं इनको अरेंज करना है ताकि ये एक मुकम्मल सेंटेंस बन जाए. Okay, and remember that each sentence should start with a capital letter. Okay, हमेशा क्या होता है, एक जो sentence होता है वो capital letter से start होता है. You all know that. Okay, so let me show you one example and after that you will have to complete the whole exercise by yourself. I hope you will understand how you have to do this. Okay, come to the first exercise, first sentence, which is look at these words. Quietly was talking Nadia to her friend. Now you have to arrange this sentence. How you will arrange this sentence? Let me show you. First of all, look which is the capital letter in this whole sentence or the group of words. Nadia is written in the capital. Okay, so Nadia is going to be our subject. I hope you have learned in the previous class about the subject that first of all we always put the subject. यानी कि हम हमेशा कोई subject जो है वो रखते हैं सेंटेंस में. सब्जेक्ट इज़ द डूअर ऑफ द वर्क, यानी कि इस पूरे सेंटेंस में जो शख्स या फिर जो भी चीज़ काम करने वाली है, द थिंग विच इज़ गोइंग टू परफॉर्म एनी थिंग इज़ कॉल्ड अ सब्जेक्ट. सो वी हैव टू पुट द नादिया फर्स्ट, then the helping verb and the main verb. What is the helping verb here? Was, and then the verb, main verb, talking. Nadia was talking. Okay, then should we put quietly first or to her friend first? Students, इन दोनों को गौर से देखें, quietly and to her friend. You can see that after to her friend there is a full stop. It means the sentence ends here. अगर sentence यहाँ पे end हो रहा है, it means this is the last word we have to write. तो कौन सा word हमें second last में लिखना है? This, quietly. Okay, now look at this sentence. Nadia was talking quietly to her friend. Okay, this is the way we have to arrange all these words to make a complete sentence which gives a proper meaning. The same you have to do for all the remaining sentence. Let me show you one more example. Let's suppose, okay, come to the next sentence. What are the words? Told, after supper, a story, Mrs. Berkey. So we have to arrange this sentence as, let's suppose if we write down Mrs. Berkey told a story after supper, but here the full stop, it means we have to stop the sentence here, not here. So इसको हम थोड़ा किस तरह अरेंज करेंगे? Come to the second word which is after supper. Okay, so हम यहाँ से start करेंगे. After supper, Mrs. Berkey told a story. Okay, let me show you. Okay, after supper, Mrs. Berkey told a story. Okay, this is the way you have to arrange all the given sentences. Okay, the third one is say hello and must go we. किस तरह से करना होगा? We must go and say hello. Okay, इस तरह से क्या होगा, इसका पूरा एक सेंटेंस मीनिंगफुल बन जाएगा. Okay, so this is the way complete all the given sentences. This is your homework. I hope you all will enjoy doing your homework, and remember students, keep doing your homework regularly as it will help you to complete your given work, because you know this ongoing work is not going to be repeated. So you have to do it very carefully, and if you have any queries, any questions or anything you may not get properly while the video plays, you can also ask on the WhatsApp group. Okay students, goodbye, have a nice day.